Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video, we're going to look at how we can create a monolithic stair using Revit. So I click on this new icon and I have this new project window. Over here, we have this construction template. I just click on this little arrow over here and I select this architecture template and I click on this OK. Now I type UN, that's for units, and we have this length 1235 millimeter. I click on here and I change it to centimeters. You can continue with meters or centimeters or millimeters or whichever you like. That's no problem. Okay, then I click on this OK over here. Now I just go to the elevations and I look on this east elevation and I have this level over here. So the level 1, I just rename it to GFL, that is ground floor level. And I have this little dialog box over here. Would you like to rename corresponding views? You please tap on S here. And then we have this level 2. I again rename it to FFL, that's for first floor level. And I change this 400 to 315. Okay. Now our levels are all set. I've written to GFL, that's ground floor level. Now we start to draw our stair. So in this architectural menu, we have this stair icon over here. We just click on it and we have this assemble stair in our properties window, but it's not what we want now. So we just click on this little arrow over here. I will select this monolithic stair. So we have this monolithic stair over here. But before going further, we have to go through some of the details over here. So desired number 18, actual riser height 17.5, accepted 27.5. These are not the values that we want now. So we click on this edit type and first we duplicate this monolithic stair. And so click on this duplicate and give this name to monolithic stair 2. That's okay. Then we change this riser height 18 to 15. This thread depth 27 to 30. Minimum run width it is 100 now and it's fine, no problem. Click on this OK. Before going further, let's check this railing because we don't want railing now. So we click on this little arrow over here and we select this none and we click on this OK. So we're all set. Now let's scroll down this window over here. We can see desired number 21. Before it was 18. Okay. So let's search. 300, 100 centimeter landing, then 270. Okay, then we consider the green arrow to finish the edit mode. Now we have a stair over here. Now let's go to east elevation again. You see there's some height difference. Your stair is a bit lower than where it should be. So let's just check how much it is. Go to annotate, aligned, click on this line, 50 centimeter. So we have to give one more step here. So go back to ground floor level and click on and select the stair and click on this edit stairs. Then select this flight, the final flight, the second flight, and then click on this convert. Then click on this edit sketch. Take this offset, put this offset value 30, and it's okay. Click on this line, then take this line and complete the sketch. Now let's extend the stair path. Drag it to the extreme end. Just tap your escape key. Then click on this green arrow to finish the edit mode. Again, click on it. Now stair over here. Let's go to east elevation again. So it's here. If you carefully look here, you can see some difference of thickness over here. Both of the flight slabs have the same thickness, whereas the landing slab has a bit more thickness, which is not normal. So we have to change that. So in order to change that, select the stair, then go to edit type, then go to landing type, click on it. We have this 300 mm thickness. Click on this duplicate. We give 150 over here and click on this OK. Then change this monolithic thickness to 15. Then click on OK. Apply OK. Now you see the problem is resolved. Let's go to a 3D view. This is our stair. Now let's just give some tile finish to this stair. Okay. So first select the stair. Then go to this edit type. We have this run type 150 depth. Click on it. And we have this 150 and we have this parameter window. So we can see this thread is off now. So select it. Thread thickness of 5 centimeter. Just give it to reduce it to 2 centimeter. Then thread profile default okay. Nosing length let's just give 2 centimeter again. Then default nosing profile. Let's just give this radius to DMO. Then front only okay. Then let's apply that. Apply. Okay. Let's go to the east elevation and we can see this here, here, here. But there is some slant here, the riser. So in order to eliminate that, again set the stair, go to edit type, then the run type. Here the riser slanted. Let's just uncheck it and hit on apply, then OK. Apply, then OK. Now see here, now the slanting has gone. Now the risers are perfectly straight. But if you go to 3D view and we turn on the shaded view, you can see that there is no material applied on these threads. So let's see how we can apply material over these threads. Actually, this is tile, but it doesn't look like a tile. So let's just once again select the stair and go to edit type and then go to the run type, then the thread material. Here we have by category. Let's click on it. Now we are in our material browser. Here browse for the default. Here we have this default. Click on it and right click and duplicate it. Then give a name here. Stair thread tile 01. Okay. Stair thread tile 01. Then go to the asset browser. I have my library over here in which I have this tile porcelain. If you don't want this thing, then you can go to the Autodesk physical library and go to tile and you can select another one. You can select this tile terracotta, right click on it and add it to my library. Okay, now go to my library, double click it. It's here, this tile terracotta, but I select this porcelain and then I click on this arrow to add this material to the document. Okay, now I close it. Here it is. Then I duplicate it. Then the appearance. Here you can select an image if you have, but for now I don't want for that. I select this RGB color. I select a different color like this, and I click this OK and apply. OK, apply. OK. Now you see here all of the styles we laid over landing and the threads got colored, but still the risers are not provided. So let's now give a riser. Again, select the stair, go to edit type, then click on this run type, select this riser, uncheck this landed, then riser thickness, it's again so 1. Okay, no 1. Riser prepares the default, it's okay. Then apply, okay, apply, okay. You see, we have riser came here. If we go to east elevation, you can see our riser is here. But one thing happened, an extra riser came over here. That's not required because this is the top level of our slab. Since this is the top level of our floor, this riser will not work. So we have to remove this. So again, select this tire, go to edit tires, select this flight, then go to the properties window, scroll down a bit, and you see end with riser. Let's uncheck it and apply. It's gone. Okay. Now click on this green arrow to finish the edit mode. Okay, it's okay. Now let's go back to our 3D view. Here we haven't assigned any material to our risers, so let's just do that. Again, select the stair, go to the type, then to run type. Here we have this thread material, stair thread tile 01. If you want the same material got applied on your risers too, then you just select this one and type Control C on your keyboard. Then come to this line below, select whatever is there, and then type Control V to paste it. The material is copied, then apply, OK. Now we can see the same material is applied on our risers too. If you don't want that, then you can again select the stair, go to edit type, then again go to the family. Now riser material, click on here. That will bring us to our material browser. Here we have the stair thread tile 01. Just duplicate it. Just rename it as stair riser tile 01. Then I go to the asset browser, then into my library where I can find this terracotta tile and the porcelain tile. This time I select this terracotta tile and I right click on it and I add this to the document. Okay. Now the tile terracotta has come here and it's duplicated. So you just go to the appearance. Let's just give a different color to identify that from the previous. Give it a light color to distinguish it from the previous. Now you see our risers have got a different color, a bluish one. If you don't want this default covering, then you can give a different one using a profile by creating a profile of your own and loading it to the project. For that, let's again select the stair, edit type, then run type. Click on here, of this thread and rise over here, and apply. Okay. Now we don't have any finishes over our stair. Now let's just look into how we can provide a thread of our own. For that, go to each elevation, and from the annotate menu, take the detail line and draw a line over here, and then offset it to 2 centimeters. Then again take the tail line and this start and the radius arc. Click on here. It's the end and is the radius. Move it 2 centimeters outwards. 2. Okay. Now hover your mouse on one of the lines and tap your tab key to select everything and you move it outwards. Now you close this gap. Okay. This is our profile. So let's just create a family profile using this. Go to file menu and new family. Select this metric profile and click on this open. And we have this over here. Now go to the elevation, then select this, Control C to copy, come to reference level, then Control V here, then move to here. You can move to 2 centimeters outwards. Let's delete it. Now save it as a family file. Save as family. Let's give this name stair thread profile 01. Save. So this is our profile. Then now load it into the project and close. Now come back to our east elevation or 3D. Now we again select our stair and go to edit type and this run type. Click here and we see this thread. Turn it on. Then thread thickness, thread profile default. We see here is the profile we just created. Stair thread profile 01. Select it and apply. OK. Apply. OK. Now you see it's a bit above. You see it's a little bit above. And then You know what's the reason? Let's find it out. It's because that we committed some error while we created family profile file. So let's open it again. Open family, stated profile, open. It's here. We have to move it to downwards. So select it, move, click here, then move it here. Now save, load in the project and close. When you go to 3D elevation and this elevation, okay, you see it's fixed. We don't want this anymore, so let's delete it. Now, okay. That's all today's tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching. Bye.